Gadgets 101 and I am Anubhav. Today we have another unboxing video with us, and I recently brought this iPad Air Gen 4, and today we are going to unbox this. So we'll quickly jump into the unboxing video, and before that I would like to make a quick request. Please follow the channel. A sub would be really helpful and help the channel to grow. Let's get down to it. Guys, let's start off with our unboxing today. Let me pull this tab over here. Apple has been following this new design language where they have even taken out the scissor cutting experience through this, but I mean, either way I think it saves us the trouble of finding the scissor. So this is our iPad. Let me just pull it out of the box. We have the device over here. I ordered this in blue color, and it's a very subtle shade of blue. I mean, it might be hard to see in the camera. I'll try to take out this blue color in the post-editing part, but this is the device. Let's keep it on the side for some time. We have the Design by Apple California branding, some paperwork, the Apple stickers. Oh, they are really huge. They are really huge. Take it ahead, keep this aside. We have a charging cable. It's a good thing. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable, so it gives you a bit of flexibility. And the best thing is you can use your MacBook cable to charge this. I have a OnePlus device which is again powered by USB-C, so it's a really good solution for charging. You just need to carry one brick, and this is a 20-watt charger. It's more than the 18-watt charger of the iPad Pro. And anyway, we have this charger over here, and we have the USB-C to C cable. This one is really flimsy, I believe. For me, I think this is a really narrow cable. This is a really narrow cable. This cable is really narrow, and we'll keep this on the side. And let's head on to our device. Let's switch on the device. We have the Touch ID now, and the Touch ID has been taken out from the home button and it has moved up here, and I think it's a good implementation. They should do this in the iPhones as well. Let's get rid of the ugly ass notch they have. And guys, this blue color is really unique, and you can find this color only in the Air lineup. Not even the Pro are having it. There's an event coming up. The Apple event is coming up for iPad Pro, I believe, and let's hope the Apple launches new colors in that. Let's get done with our setup. Let me show it to the camera. It takes a few moments to set it up. It's doing the same right now. And let's talk about the physical overview. We have the magnetic connector. This iPad is compatible with Gen 2 of the Apple Pencil. It sticks magnetically over here and it charges. We have the volume rockers over here. Quite clicky, standard Apple thing. And on this side we don't have anything, but we have those magnetic smart connectors, and we have the 7-megapixel camera over here. So let's set this up. Hey Siri, send a message. So there you go, guys. We did the unboxing of iPad Air Gen 4, and I'll soon be putting out a new video where I'll be comparing it with the iPad Air Generation 2. So that'll be an interesting video to see, so do stick around. A sub to the channel would be really appreciated. Do like the video and share it with your friends. We'll catch you in the next one. Jai Hind.